What brought me here was an accident. My husband and I were in our motor vehicle, and we were hit head on, 80 plus miles an hour. I was helicoptered to one hospital, triaged, and they said, no, we can't do this. So they reached out to Swedish, and Swedish said, yes, we'll take her. I spent almost 3 months here, and I went from trauma, where I had probably 11 surgeries before I got out of trauma. And I had 40 broken bones between my wrist and my legs. They put the bones back together, but then you need blood flow and all the other good stuff that happens down there. So that's where plastics came in, and it saved everything. And I'm here to talk about it now. I don't have anything to compare it to. Just the kindness, the quality of care, it's something you don't see in other hospitals. To be a trauma survivor, to me, is just surviving. It was a lot of work, but I'm here to talk about it. The care at Swedish is just amazing. I'd never experienced such a positive group of people, and they just do what they do, and they do it with such love and kindness. It was just the most wonderful care that I've ever had.